Hello students, welcome to my channel. Question of trigonometry for class 11. Prove that in a triangle ABC cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Any triangle, no conditions there, whatever the type of the shape of ABC may be. इस तरह से किसी भी ये सपोजिंग कोई स्पेशल बी सी है, इस तरह से है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है ए बी सी, कोई भी डिफरेंट हो सकता है, कोई रीडिंग नहीं दे रखी। देन वी हैव टू प्रूव cos ऑफ c will be equal to a square b square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. हाउ, कैसे करें? abc कोई भी ट्रायंगल होता है, if in we are considering the tips of the triangles abc, then this ac arm will be treated as b, this will be b, it means ac will be equal to b, okay, and bc, and this will be treated, AB will be treated as C, small c, this will be treated as C, AB will be equal to C, and BC will be treated as A. This is the law of geometry का law है, ये इसको इस तरह से लिखा जा सकता है, करेक्ट? AB is equal to B, AC is equal to C, and BC is equal to A. इस कंडीशन में now we have dropped a perpendicular from top of A at D, suppose. Correct? Okay. Now, this is the angle C, and this is a rectangle triangle. Okay? ABC is a rectangle triangle because we have dropped the perpendicular from or kept A on BC at D. This is 90. Then cos of C, this can be written as, इसको लिखा जा सकता है DC upon AC. DC upon AC. AC is known to us, DC is not known to us. AC is equal to B. Now, our aim is to find out DC in terms of ABC. DC की वैल्यू ABC के रूप में हमें निकालनी पड़ेगी, वो याद रखिएगा। अब DC कैसे निकालें? How? Take two triangles, triangle ADB and ADC. दो ट्रायंगल लीजिए आप, ट्रायंगल ADC, ADC and ADB. AD is common. AD is common. Then AD square in this triangle can be written as AB square minus BD square. Correct? This also can be written as per this triangle, इस वाले ट्रायंगल से ADC में AD स्क्वायर further can be written as AC square minus DC square. Correct? 100% correct. Now, it means they both are equal to each other. दोनों एक दूसरे के बराबर हैं, ठीक है? चलिए, it means we can put AB square minus BD square, this will be equal to AC square minus DC square. Correct? Correct. AB is equal to C square, इसको C कर दीजिए. AB is equal to C square. BD is not, BD remains same, no change at all. AC equal to B square minus DC is not known to us. ओके, अच्छा, it means c square minus b square, this will be equal to bd square. No, we have to find the value of dc. Dc is here. So this is to be found. So that it means dc square, this can be written as, इसको इधर लेके आए, b square minus c square plus bd square. Correct? bd. This is to find bd. bd can be written as bc minus dc. This is b square minus c square. This bd. This can be written as bd. bd is bc minus dc. इस पूरे में से ये घटा दें, bc minus dc whole square. Okay, बिल्कुल करेक्ट. This is to be find. यहाँ रखना है. It means this is equal to b square minus c square plus bc. bc is equal to bc. bc is equal to a square. a minus dc square. ओपन कीजिए, b स्क्वायर माइनस c स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर, इसका ओपन कीजिए पूरा डिटेल, a स्क्वायर प्लस dc स्क्वायर माइनस 2 times a dc is equal to dc square. This dc square get cancelled with this dc. It means we will get simply 2adc. It is 2adc. This is equal to b square minus c square plus a square. It means dc will be equal to b square minus c square plus a square upon 2 times a. This is the value of dc. Okay, this value is to be put in cos of c. Now इधर आ जाइए, cos of c here. Cos of c is equal to dc upon b, and the value of dc is this. This is equal to b square minus c square plus a square upon 2a, and b is also there. This is cos of c, proved. Clear? फिर से देखिए. Now again I am going to repeat it again. In any triangle, no conditional triangle is there, any type of the triangle, if A, B, C are the tips of a triangle, then sides are, A के सामने वाली जो tips होती है, A, the side of triangle in front of A tip will be treated as A, AC, AC, AC is equal to B, and AB is equal to C because in front of C है, and BC will be treated, BC in front of है, इसको A करेंगे, AC को हम ट्रीट करेंगे B और AB करेंगे C. ओके, अब इसमें हमें cos of C निकालना है. इसके लिए हमने इसको इस पर से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप किया. दिस द पॉइंट D है. तो इस ट्राइंगल में cos of C बनता है, दिस इज cos of C बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. बेस इज DC, हाइपोटेन्यूज इज स्मॉल b. तो बेस DC upon AC, DC is not known to us. हमें DC in terms of ये B में, इसका हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है in terms of ABC. Okay, small ABC in terms of small ABC. Because this AD square, यहाँ पे एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है दोनों का. This is also rectangle triangle ABC and ADB, both are rectangle triangle. So that, and this is common, so that this common square can be written as this square minus this square. Same AD square can also be written as AC square minus DC square. Okay. Equal रखा AB square minus BD square will be equal to AC square minus DC square. AB is equal to C square. BD is not known to us, ऐसे लिख दिया. AC is equal to B square लिख दिया. DC is not known to us. Now, but BD and DC can be related. How they are related? They are related. It means DC is to be found, so the DC square can be written as DC को इधर ले आए, B square minus C square minus और plus BD square हो गया. अब B square minus C square BD can further be, this BD can be treated as BC minus DC. तो BC minus DC whole square. इसको open किया, B square minus C square plus BC. BC is equal to what? BC is equal to A square. A minus DC square लिख दिया. फिर खोला B square minus C square plus इसका whole square. A square plus DC square minus 2 times A into DC. This DC square and this DC square cancel, and hence we get 2 times ADC equal to B square minus C square plus A square. And DC will be equal to B square minus C square plus A square upon 2A. This is the value of DC. This is to be put over here. इसको यहाँ रखेंगे DC. Without DC in terms of AB, small ABC arms के, उसकी वैल्यू रखेंगे. Cos C is equal to BC upon B. It means cos C is equal to B square minus C square plus A square upon 2AB. Proved. Okay. Good night. आपको पसंद आया होगा. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel and my video also. And thanks for watching this video. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.